guys, if anyone to recover your money, you can contact us to me only for binary. Okay, if anyone to recover your money binary broker, if you lost, you will get 1 month free. If you confidence will be you will be continue. Okay, you will be get 1 month free. If anyone to join, contact us me on Telegram. I will send on link my Telegram and I will add you my own group. Okay, so this is high accuracy indicator, and there is a projection. Like example, if you say 3 color matching 1 2 3, then you have to go call option next. See ITM, right? So this is like this, we have to follow, but not every signal we can get. Maximum we will get 80%, 85% or 75%. Based on money management, will be profitable every day. Okay, based on your capital every day, 10%, 5 to 10% will be gain. Okay, so if anyone to join, contact us to me. So will be give money management sheet and how to operate our signal will be get. If anyone recover your money, contact to me. Okay, see like this. See here 3 color matching, next call options. Okay, like this opposite side same way. See one step martingale, normally we use one step martingale. If you say a call, you lose your one step martingale items. Some cases we have to use our martingale. Okay, so our profit target every day, there is nothing. Okay, so if anyone to join, contact me on Telegram. I will provide you my Telegram group. Okay, so what is the marketing items? So like this, you have to 3 color matching. We have to take care based on this projection. Completely better than loss, you can make everyday profit. This is free, you can make money. Okay, this is free, you can make money for 1 month. I will give you test. If you confident, you will continue. If you not confident, you will leave this group. Okay, thank you guys. Now I will teach you how to apply money management and you will be get profit every day. Monday to Friday only we work. Monday to Friday, no OTC market. Thank you. If you like, please subscribe and share your friend who want to recover your money on your any broker binary. You guys can recover very easily. Thank you guys.